light orange, orange, light green, dark green, light green, green, brown. Works only first 4. Okay, let me check it. Ay, ay. Yay. So is this? Yeah, this is not enough. Yes, you can compare it.
There's no way in the world I would have ever figured that out. So thank you, Andre, for putting that thing together for me.
Hey, babe, I just wanna know what you think about me when the summer's over.
Because we travel so much for work and for play and for living because we're full-timers, we need good, reliable, fast internet because we use our computers all the time for work. So we decided to invest in a Wi-Fi booster from WiFiRanger.com. So today I'm going to show you guys how easy this thing was to install and set up, and then I'm going to show you the difference in speed before and after. So if you're wondering how you can kick butt on your very first storm ever, which will set your career up to an incredibly good start, I invite you to check out my book, The Elite Adjuster Method, 3rd edition. I offer it all by itself and in 2 packages that includes some incredibly useful resources to get you going as an adjuster, and then resources that you can use once you are an adjuster to help you maximize your time and income. So even if you just buy the book, you're taking a huge step to building a lasting career as a catastrophe property insurance adjuster. So check it out at adjustertv.com/book. Okay, let's do the first speed test. All right, I'm going to install the Wi-Fi Ranger core in the TV, or behind the TV compartment here. This is normally where the TV goes, over the steering wheel. And I'm going to drill a couple of pilot holes and then pop in a couple of screws that will, this thing will sit on. So, and there's a power supply back there for the AC, and then everything can get wired into there. So let's do this. And I want you guys to know something. This is the greatest single tool to have around the house, because you push the button and you just turn it. It's the greatest screwdriver ever invented since the invention of the screwdriver. Couple screws right there. AC is right there. We're going to go in up there with our Ethernet cable. Eureka! I mean, I keep looking at myself on the screen when I should be looking at the camera. Okay. Got it attached. Nice and sturdy. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to string this thing out kind of where I want it, and then I'm going to start putting holes in the roof and then screwing everything down and see what happens. You guys like the way I say, see what happens after everything? Like I don't have a plan or anything. So I think I've decided the best place for this thing is going to be kind of out here in this kind of empty area. The instructions say to keep it at least 24 inches away from any air conditioning units or things that are sticking up off the roof. And that's really the only spot that's got the most clear space around it. So I think that's where I'm going to put it. Or since I don't want to run this thing, have to make 10,000 holes in the roof just to put screws in, I think I'm going to do it over here. That's what we're going to do instead. Way less work and probably get the same results anyway. The SkyPro router, mineral spirits and paper towels, some die-core self-leveling roof sealant, cordless driver, and ignore that this is a hammer drill, screws, electrical tape, an electric screwdriver, roofing tape that I didn't use, and some cable tighties. now that that's all installed, let's see how she does. And trying to figure out how to get the cable into the roof without it just using duct tape and, you know, good intentions. I found a fitting that will let me run the cable in, but I have no idea how to do Ethernet cables. I'm not like a cable guy. I may be kind of a nerd, but I'm not that big of a nerd. So I took all this stuff over to Fry's Electronics in Dallas, and my good friend Andre helped me to redo the connector.
It will be longer. Okay, where is your? Yes.
To be fair, it's not going to make the internet faster than the connection that we have here at the park, which, let's be honest, is weak sauce. But here at the bus, it's a much more reliable connection, and it is a little bit faster because science. Okay guys, well that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you're wondering what to watch next, check out these videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great storm.